Dean from Autotech. I'm here with another post repair inspection. This customer came to us after feeling like his car was not repaired properly, and some of the things we see are like he's got a loose spoiler up there. When they glued his Honda emblem back on his used tailgate, which is all full of body filler and it's been repaired, they didn't even lay it inside of the insert that it belongs. It's actually high and it's hanging off the top here. This molding's not on there. They welded a floor pan to this thing. It is horrendous. This car is completely unsafe to drive. There's a reinforcement that belongs where the tow hook cover goes. They actually hacked it off underneath and never put it back on and just welded the tow hook right to the floor pan. There's missing welds. They caked undercoating and panel bond all over just to cover it up. But this is a extremely horrendous repair done by an insurance referral shop, and it's completely unsafe for the customer to drive. And I can't believe anybody would ever let a car go like this. This is Dean from Autotech. Check us out at autotechcollision.com.